Unlock your potential and make money as a content creator with ChatGPT. Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming content ideas, writing blog posts, and struggling to engage your audience? Say goodbye to outdated methods and embrace the game changer in content creation. Welcome to today's video where we reveal 6 great tips for using ChatGPT to skyrocket your affiliate marketing success. With this revolutionary AI tool, you can boost your earnings, save time, and unlock your full potential as an online entrepreneur. As an affiliate marketer, crafting compelling product descriptions is crucial. But don't worry, ChatGPT has got your back. Simply provide the AI with the product information and a good prompt, and it will generate persuasive descriptions for any product, saving you valuable time. Writing engaging blog posts is a breeze with ChatGPT. It can help you with article outlines, writing full articles, or even section by section content generation. Just use a Chrome plugin like AI PRM or give it your headers and keywords and watch as it crafts your blog post effortlessly. Remember to fact check and edit the content for the best user experience. Stuck in a content route, ChatGPT is your go-to solution for endless content ideas. Just provide your topics, ideas, or keywords and let ChatGPT work its magic. It can generate related keywords, lesser-known questions, subcategory ideas, and even help you brainstorm related niches. Say goodbye to creative blocks and hello to content that engages your audience. Social media taking up too much of your time? ChatGPT has your social media content covered. By giving it the right prompts, you can generate a year's worth of content ideas in just a few hours. From engagement posts to educational, inspirational, share-worthy, and promotional posts, ChatGPT helps you captivate your audience and boost your affiliate program sales. Who says AI cannot assist with video content? ChatGPT is here to prove them wrong. It can generate YouTube video ideas, keywords, tags, and even write detailed video outlines and scripts. Just provide a throughout prompt, and ChatGPT will deliver the script you need to create engaging and successful YouTube content. ChatGPT goes beyond content creation. It's a powerful tool for niche and market research. Use it to develop audience and buyer personas, identify pain points, and generate related keywords and topic ideas. With ChatGPT's assistant, you will have a clear strategy to attract your target audience and drive conversions. Imagine a world where content creation is effortless, profitable, and sets you on the path to financial freedom. This is the world ChatGPT can help you create. With ChatGPT as your AI assistant, you will discover innovative solutions, unlock your creative potential, and make money online like never before. Say goodbye to the hesitation and embrace the powerful writing companion that will revolutionize your content creation journey. And remember, no more welcome messages or asking for likes and subscribes until you have earned it. Focus on delivering value and engaging your audience. The success stories are waiting and you can be the next one. Start your journey to online success with ChatGPT now. Subscribe to our channel for more content creation hacks, success tips, and powerful AI tools. Click here to watch our latest video. Thank you for watching and remember with ChatGPT you have the ultimate content generation ally. Make money, unlock your potential, and achieve your online entrepreneurial dreams. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Until next time.